Dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve some questions of pre-board exam of class 10 from Barpeta district. Here questions are I have written. Number 1. Which of the following numbers are in proportion? Proportion means the ratio of first and second term must be equal to the ratio of the second, third and fourth term. So say first one, P by PQ, PP cancel, 1 by Q. Next P square by Q divided by Q square. Here 1 Q, here 2 Qs, 1 cancel. That means answer is P square by Q. So 1 by Q is not equal to P square by Q. So question, this one number one is not in proportion. So here option, check the option. A 1 is there, B 1 is there, this one not correct option, this one not correct option, 1 is there, here 1 is there, and this one also not correct. Correct answer is option number D. This is the best trick of finding the solution of MCQs. Remember this one. The question is, which of the following are true? The area of a cube is always perfect cube. The area of cube is always perfect cube. This one not true. The area of a cube is maybe perfect cube, may not be perfect cube. All perfect cubes ends with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All perfect cubes number ends with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if even numbers of zeros are given, then this one not perfect cube. Remember this one. But here given all perfect cubes ends with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one true. Square root is the reverse process of square. This one true. Every perfect square numbers has 2 roots. This one also true. So this one question number 1 is false. So here which of the following are true? Here 1 is given, this one false. Here 1 given, false. This one false. Option C option is correct option. Next question. Assertion for any natural number n minus 1 to the power n equal to plus minus 1. This one assertion is given. Reason, in your question paper reason is not given, printing mistake. So reason, product of even negative integers is positive and product of odd negative integers is negative. So this one reason and this one assertion. Options are given. A and R both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. A and R both are true but R is not correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. R is true but A is false. Now check assertion. For any natural number n minus 1 to the power n equal to plus minus 1. Minus 1 to the power n. N means natural number. If you take 1, you will get minus 1. If you take 2, you will get plus 1 you will get. If you will take minus 1 to the power 3, minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4, plus 1. So this one correct. Assertion A is correct. So A is true but R is false. Now check false. Reason, product of even negative integers is positive. Product of even number of negative numbers is always positive. And product of odd negative integers is negative. And product of odd number of integers is always negative. So both the assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A. R is the correct explanation of A. So option A is the correct option. I think all of you understood. Next class I will explain the later part. If you understood my class, don't forget to share my channel. Thank you for watching.